What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna be doing some powder coating. I got this mini bike yesterday at Pate swap meet at Texas Motor Speedway. $395, ready to go, ready to ride. Came with gas, oil, everything, except for being painted. That's what we're gonna do today. I bought it yesterday. Today we're gonna paint it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So this is a perfectly working mini bike. Start. So yeah, let's tear it apart. We're gonna get right into it. Start with the front end, end with the rear end. What we're gonna start off with is just taking apart the front end and getting it sandblasted and in the powder coating oven, and then we'll start disassembling the back end and getting that going. But here, we got it up on the table. So now what I'm gonna start doing is trying to get the grips off, get the throttle off, get this front plastic fender off, get all these wires undone, get the brake lever off, and then take out this front wheel and we'll get to sandblasting. So to get off this front end, it looks like two 8mm nuts right here for the kill switch, and this comes off, and there are two Phillips on the back side. So yeah, we'll take off this, take off the kill switch, take off the grip, go ahead and start taking off all this. So it's just these two screws and this will all slide off. This side is these two screws and this brake lever will come off. These two Phillips heads and the kill switch will come off, and then we just gotta slide both of those off. 10mm and 10mm. I'm gonna take all those out and then show you what I got. So throttle is off, brake is somewhere off right there. Handlebars are looking bare. This grip is gonna be fun to get off. Oh no, it'll be easy. Perfect. Okay, now we got kill switch off. All we gotta do is take off the front axle, which it looks like there's a couple washers on each side, which we have to look for, so nothing bad. Has two washers on one side, an 11/16" nut and bolt for the and we do have bearings on how we're gonna powder coat that, because I don't know. We got the handlebars, the front end, in the sandblast cabinet. I'm ready to sandblast it. Let's get to it. Fan turned on. So it's been about an hour in the oven. Already have it cooling off. Looks amazing. I already got the rear frame apart and everything in the sandblaster, ready to be blasted. Let's blast it, powder coat it, put it back together. Let's do it. got the frame done and I gotta do a second coat, so y'all will see that. It looks even more of a different color than before. I don't know what's going on. This is what the front end turned out like, so. Turned out freaking amazing. I think so. I like it. I don't know. I'm about to pull out the frame, hang it back up, spray it one more time, put it back in, double coat, see how it goes. Done, double coated. It's done. Just gotta pull it out of the oven and put it back together. As you could see, look at that, very nice. Make it back over to the table and we'll take a look at it. All right, look at this, guys and girls. Fully powder coated. Got the forks right there. Kickstand done. She's ready to go. Look at that. Oh, fuck me. Forgot the chain. We got the back wheel back on it. Got the chain on there. Don't forget the chain like I did. Now we gotta the rest. Yeah. Now it's time for the handlebars. Got the bearings smacked back in, so that's good. Front end is on. Hitch. We got everything assembled. Looky here, all back together. Just gotta do the chain guard and that's it, but yeah, look how nice this came out. So yeah, next video will be a riding video. Thank you for watching me disassemble, powder coat, put it back together. Thanks for watching. See you later.